Is your digital signage feature rich? Does it have these features? Accurate display status. While using the media box, the signage software can indicate the status of the media box. But I am interested in the status of the display. So, can the signage software reside in the SoC of the display control? SoC display offers a range of display control features like volume control, IR on-off, panel control, power scheduling, display reboot, and etc. All of this can be done remotely via a digital signage software. Does it have the option to maneuver the display control remotely? This is very important. Kindly check before making a buying decision. Inbuilt digital signage software. Lots of brands like Samsung, LG have inbuilt digital signage software like Magic Info by Samsung and SuperSign CMS by LG, which they offer free, but most of the time it can run locally, and if you want to manage remotely, then you have to pay a good hefty price, and if you want some extra features which they do not have, then you are stuck with the brand. So before going with a brand supplied digital signage software, think twice. If you want a scalable digital signage software, then you have to go for a cloud-based or on-prem software. Social media apps. Does your digital signage support social media apps? Some software have integrated Twitter, and any content posted from your social media account can directly visible on the display. RSS feed. Use any news website like BBC, CNN, Times of India to showcase the latest news that would suit your audience. Once added to your display, the content gets refreshed on its own, and every day viewers get to see fresh, informative content. Other app support. There are other app support like Live TV, YouTube Live, RSS stickers, and more, which could come in handy in some cases. Content expiry feature. For time-based announcements, we have a media expiry features. At the time of upload, you can set the expiry of any media, and it will be removed automatically from the screen based on the date and time set. You need not remember yourself to delete the outdated media from the CMS. Inbuilt designer. Does the digital signage software have an inbuilt designer, or do you have to design on some other app and then upload to your digital signage software? The advantage with inbuilt designer is you already have ready-made thousands of templates ready to be used, and it saves you a lot of time and money. Activate Live TV. Does your digital signage have an option to activate Live TV remotely? If the display has a HDMI in, then activating Live TV is possible. Proof of play report. Does your software have a proof of play report? That means which campaign has run for how long. You should be able to get a proof of that. You should be able to get that through a single report. Multi-user access. Just imagine one user doing all the jobs like making playlists, loading content, pushing content, designing, and etc. So it's important that digital signage software should have features like A. Content Manager. This login has the ability to only upload the media files and view them in the media library. B. Display Manager. This login has access to display dashboard where he can view display status and add new display in CMS whenever needed. C. Broadcast Manager. This login has a right to push content to the display with an option to upload right as well, which will be decided by the admin. On the top of that, access to limited display can be provided under one broadcast manager. D. For on-field personnel. This login have view access of the display is working or not, so he doesn't have to disturb admin for a petty thing. Regional based access control. With this feature, users are responsible for loading and managing the content for their region. F. Admin control. This login has a right to create a new user and define their roles, media expiry and media replace. Does your digital signage have media expiry and media replace? Suppose you want to run and campaign for a couple of weeks, then it's difficult for you to remember when it should go off. The playlist with the media expiry will make your life easy. Now suppose you want to replace that with any other ad, then use the media replace option. Live preview and monitoring. Without this feature, it's almost impossible to know if the system is running perfectly. There might be cases where the display is switched off and media box is on. In this situation, it's only by having a live preview with a monitoring feature one can know if the display is actually running or not, without the need to send the operator to the location. Other features like display sorting, media file expiry date, layout replacing, display grouping, easy search both by name and file type, etc. will make the difference between spending hours in CMS to few minutes. Does your digital signage software runs on a mobile device? Can you control a digital signage software from your mobile? I am sure after watching this video, you will be able to take the right decision for your digital signage solution. As promised earlier, please find the below links for brightness video and the difference between the consumer and the commercial display. All these videos will help you to take the right decision. This is Milind Shinde signing off.